as is the case in Iran, you know what's happening? The husband does not allow the wife the same human rights that she has. You can't work, you can't visit your family, you can't have an equal say about the children. You don't have the same rights or independence as I have. You don't have the right to wear what you want to wear. You don't have the right to speak up. You don't have a right to discipline our children. So the wife is bullied. Does she have a right for a divorce? Yes, she does. Should she leave and never look back? Yes, she should. Because that is her human rights that are being violated. She has a right not to have sex with you. That is her right. That is her body. She has a right not to want to have a child. That is her right. Because she thinks you're an idiot and you're a bully and you're not a human being. She has the right. She should walk away from you because you're not a human being. So yes, they have a right to a divorce. They have a right not to live with that person. Are you kidding me with what's happening in that country? A wife getting her head cut off, the husband telling the wife, go say goodbye to your family, and telling everybody I'm gonna kill my wife, and all those stupid people who stood by and let that wife get murdered. That goddamn country with those goddamn laws. That's inhumane. That husband is an idiot who deserves to rot in hell for all eternity and never come back to earth. Because that wife dared say, I don't want to live with you. And that is her right not to want to live with that pig. And I'm insulting pigs right now because they're decent animals. You barbaric idiot. You don't deserve to live on this earth with other human beings. That is the most horrific thing you could ever imagine. And you think what? Children should live in that house? Do you know about 10 years ago, there was a case that I had that the wife wanted to live with her husband. The husband kept accusing her that she's in love with her cousin. I had a session with the husband. I warned the wife's family. I said, this man will kill your daughter. They didn't listen to me. The wife told them he will kill me. I called an entire family and told them this husband will kill this wife. Do you know what happened? He killed his wife, he killed their 2 children, and he killed himself. That's what happened. That's what happened. What would hurt if there was a divorce? What would hurt? You think children like to live in houses with maniacs and sick people like that? Do you know that over 70% of our men in Iran, they have depression, they have anxiety, they have rage, they have drug addiction, they have sexual addiction. They're sick. You think women should stay with them? I don't. Do you know that over 50% of our women have paranoia, obsessive compulsive disorder, schizoid disorder, personality disorder, sexual disorders, eating disorders, depression, manic disorders, anxiety and panic attacks? What kind of a population are we? What are we doing? And I haven't even included the addictions for women. Do I think that these people should even get married? No. But once they're married, if one of them is healthy enough to say, I need to leave and I'll take the children with me, you should let them. I'm asking the families who are listening to me, side with the healthy partner. Help them get a divorce. Help them. Divorce is a good thing. If one or both of the parents are sick or crazy, and you should support the children by taking them out and helping these two go and get help and get healthy. That's a good thing.